Welcome to the ASSIST tutorial series. In this tutorial, learn how to see courses that transfer to a California State University campus on the new assist.org website. The articulation and transfer information in ASSIST is best used with the guidance and expertise of an academic advisor. Be sure you talk to your counselor or transfer center advisor at your community college and an admissions advisor or departmental advisor at the university campus you plan to attend. Whether searching for community college courses that are transferable to a UC or CSU campus, the first step is selecting the academic year in which the courses were or will be completed. You can type directly into the menu box, or use the down or up arrows to scroll through an entire list of available academic years. If you aren't sure which academic year to select, you can click the question mark icon above the menu for additional information. Once you have selected the academic year, select the community college where the courses were or will be completed from the institution drop-down menu. Just like the academic year menu, you can start typing a community college name directly into the menu line, and the results will automatically filter down as you do so. You can also use the up and down arrows to see a complete list of institutions and scroll through to find a specific one. In any search scenario, if you aren't sure what to select here, you can always click on the question mark and find additional instructions. Once you've selected an academic year and a community college from the institution drop-down menus, the transferable courses search box becomes available. You have 6 transferability lists to choose from, but to find courses that transfer to a CSU, you'll select the CSU Transferable Courses option. Then click View Transferability Lists once the button activates. Once the View Transferability button is clicked, you can see that the transfer information box moves to the left of the screen and additional columns cascade out with the View By options in the middle column and then the Download or View options that will open in the far right-hand column. All 3 columns will display the academic year, community college, and type of transferability list at the top. You can view the CSU transferable course list by department or prefix. You can scroll through the full list of departments or prefixes, or search right directly into the search box and your results will narrow as you go. Select the All Departments to view a full list of community college courses that transfer to a CSU campus. Then click View Course List or Download Course List. Once you've clicked to view or download the CSU transferable course list and have opened the document, you'll find a list of all CSU transferable courses from the specific community college, organized by department or prefix, with clear and clean columns and font. The course prefix, number, title, units, and other relevant transferability areas will display. Most browsers also have the option to view documents in outline format, which gives you a quick and easy way to jump to different departments. This can be particularly helpful when you're viewing an all department or all prefix list and want to jump to a specific department or prefix. For additional support using the ASSIST website, click on the support link at the bottom of the page in the blue band. The support page includes options for contacting us, linking to resources, and providing feedback. You can contact us directly at help@assist.org or dialing 949-824-4385. You can also access the ASSIST Resource Center, where important information, tutorials, and helpful tools are just a click away. And finally, as with any new website, your feedback is extremely important. Take our survey to let us know what you think of the new assist.org.